Lag windowing is a technique that consists of windowing the autocorrelation coefficients prior to estimating linear prediction coefficients (LPC). The windowing in the autocorrelation domain has the same effect as a convolution, smoothing, in the power spectral domain and helps in stabilizing the result of the Levinson-Durbin algorithm. The window function is typically a Gaussian function. External links: PLP and RASTA, an MFCC, an inversion, in MATLAB. See also: linear predictive coding, bandwidth expansion.